In the battlefield, you not be thinking normally. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
The only thing mattering is the mission of the NDF. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Soldiers, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
What is it that has brought this big family of strangers together? Was it fear?
No, sir.
Was it war?
Yes, sir.
We were defending ourselves. We have to get revenge. We have been defending ourselves against the killings and rapings of our own people from the PLF and now from the NRC junta. But it has awakened a sleeping beast. It has awakened the giant. It has put the weapons of this war back in the hands of you, the young, and therefore, the powerful. Young men, well, we will not wait to inherit any wealth. We will not wait for them to come and give it to us.
No, sir.
We are going to take it.
Yes, sir.
We're going to take it from them.
Yes, sir.
Seize it.
Yes, sir.
All of you that have never been listened to before and have seen your family killed, you now have something that stands for you. You now have something that stands for you. That is your defense. That is your family's blood.
Yes, sir.
Victory!
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 We're going to seize it!
Victory!
Victory!
You are my family.
The National Reformation Council took advantage of this instability and militarily seized power to restore UPC dominance. We NDF refuse to recognize this illegitimate government. Who are we?
We are NDF.
I said, who are we?
We are NDF.
Our very own politicians will steal our resources and give them away for small dollar in exchange for private payoffs. They are spit on the Constitution. They are spit on your rights. They are trying to spit on your future. I say, who is your supreme commandant?
Adamawa
I say, who do you fight for?
Adamawa.